Listen to me very carefully. You're not addicted to TikTok. You're addicted to effortless dopamine. Your brain is literally programmed to choose. Tap screen, get instant happiness. Do difficult task, happiness later maybe? So, of course it picks scrolling. That doesn't make you weak. That makes you human. But today, we're going to upgrade your brain from lazy default mode to high performance, unstoppable self-control main character mode. This is how. Why hard things feel harder than they actually are. 1. Your brain has a friction detector. When you think about doing something hard, studying, cleaning, finishing a project, your brain activates the anterior cingulate cortex, which detects effort. If the task feels too big, the friction level spikes, and your brain instantly says, "Nope, let's watch memes instead." But here's the plot twist. This friction is not real. It's just your brain's prediction. Once you start, the friction drops by 60 to 70% within 2 minutes. Meaning, the fear is the problem, not the task. 2. TikTok is a dopamine candy machine. Every swipe gives a tiny dopamine hit. Tiny, easy, fast. Your brain loves it. But you know what gives more dopamine? Accomplishing something meaningful. The difference is, TikTok gives dopamine first. Work gives dopamine last. Our goal, move the dopamine to the beginning of the task. So your brain wants to start. 3. Your brain is a pattern-matching creature. If your brain associates hard task equals stress, you will avoid it. If your brain associates hard task equals satisfaction plus progress plus pride, you will crave it. We are about to rewire this. Advanced methods to make hard things easier. 1. The friction shrinking formula. To beat friction, use this 3-step formula. Step A. Micro start. Instead of study 2 hours, your task becomes open the book. Step B. Micro action. Then, read only 1 sentence. Step C. Momentum lock-in. After the first sentence, your brain says, "Oh wait, this is not painful at all." Momentum naturally kicks in. You're no longer fighting procrastination. You're surfing momentum. 2. Dopamine wrapping. Make the task feel rewarding immediately. Don't wait for the end. Give yourself dopamine at the start. How? Surround the hard thing with cute playlists, cozy lighting, aesthetic desk, pretty notes, a timer you actually like, your favorite drink. You're turning the task into a vibe. Your brain loves vibes. When the environment feels good, your brain thinks the task feels good. That's the secret. 3. The 3-phase focus cycle, elite hack. Hard tasks feel hard because we try to do them in one long, painful session. Instead, use Phase 1. Activation, 2 minutes. Low energy, low pressure, just starting. Brain warms up. Phase 2. Flow, 8 to 25 minutes. This is the sweet spot where time disappears. You aren't forcing yourself anymore. You're gliding. Phase 3. Micro rewards, 2 minutes. You give your brain a tiny reward. Stretch, breathe, sip water, check your progress. Then repeat. This rhythm prevents burnout and builds consistency. 4. Remove the scroll triggers, advanced edition. Basic step, hide your phone. Advanced step, rewire your environment. Do this. Sign out of TikTok on your study device. Turn your home screen into a minimalist productivity layout. Move addictive apps to page 3 or inside boring folders. Keep your workspace visually empty. Why? Because every cue you see triggers a behavior. Remove the cue. Kill the urge. 5. Identity shift technique. This is the most powerful one. Don't say, "I need to do hard things." Say, "I am the type of person who does hard things easily." Once your identity changes, your habits naturally follow. You don't force discipline, you become the disciplined person. This is what high performers do. make your brain prefer hard tasks over scrolling. This is the end game. 1. Track micro progress. Humans are addicted to seeing improvements. Track, page numbers, time studied, habits, streaks. Tiny progress equals tiny dopamine equals consistency. 2. Celebrate difficult wins instead of easy dopamine. When you finish something hard, journal it, smile at it, brag about it to yourself. Look at your streak. Your brain learns. Hard task equals pride plus meaning plus satisfaction. Scrolling equals boring plus empty. 3. Build a hard things habit loop. Trigger, action, reward, identity, repeat. Within 21 to 60 days, your brain will literally prefer work over scrolling, and you'll become the person people look at and say, "How are you so disciplined?" And you'll just smile like it's brain science. Listen to me. Life changes when your brain stops chasing tiny dopamine and starts chasing big dreams. Hard things aren't hard. They just need the right strategy plus right vibe plus right identity. Do this consistently and you'll become unstoppable. A whole main character arc. The person who takes action while the world scrolls. I'm so proud of you already. Now go do the hard thing. Make it easy, make it fun, make it yours.